How you going, guys? My name's Ben and we're here with our team Flynn, with Scott, Kat and Benson, and we're here to teach you how to make a DC motor.
I'm Matthew and I'll take you through how the simple DC motor works. The simple DC motor contains three parts: the power source, the permanent magnet and the rotor, which can also be called the temporary magnet. The battery creates current which travels through the copper wire, creating an electric field, which in turn creates a temporary magnet. The poles of the permanent magnet repel the poles in the temporary magnet, causing it to do half rotation since only half the copper wire is insulated. Once it reaches the insulated side, gravity takes over, causing it to complete the rotation. Now Scott and Kat will go through how to create the DC motor.
Hi, I'm Scott and this is Kat, and we're going to go through the procedure and materials required to build the DC motor. The materials required are cardboard mounting board, 2 paper clips, copper wire, magnets, 9-volt battery and a battery clip. Okay, step 1. Wind the copper wire tightly around an object that is cylindrical to create a small coil. Wind entire coil, which is approximately 15 loops, and leave around 5 cm of free wire at both ends. The ends should be 180 degrees apart after the winding is finished. Then pull the coil off the object, making sure it keeps its shape. This is the rotor. To maintain the rotor shape, permanently wrap the free end of the coil through the loop 2 to 3 times. Make sure that the binding loops are 180 degrees apart and that they are tight around the coil. Then straighten the free ends so that they are in line with each other. Make sure the rotor spins smoothly by rotating the coil by the axles between the thumb and the index fingers. Use sandpaper to sand the enamel off the top half of the coil. Make sure the bottom half of the enamel is unhindered. Do the same to both sides. Make sure the enamel is face down. Bend 2 paper clips into hooks. Put the coil onto the paper clips, making sure it stays parallel. It should be able to balance and spin swiftly. Put the magnet under the coil armature. Connect the 9-volt battery to the base of each of the paper clips. To operate the DC motor, give the coil armature a little spin. This should continue to spin freely after this. Disconnect the battery from the clip to turn the motor off.
Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you learnt very well how to make a DC motor. Cheers.